now to do the much loved or not cabin filter. Most Yetis should have a foam cover in the footwell. Mine doesn't have it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic cover, which should just slide off, but let's see how this goes. That's the old cabin filter out. It's definitely due a change. There's quite a bit of crud in amongst that one. But yeah, just for note, it came out that way around. So this is just a note to myself in reality when I forget which way around it goes. But hey ho, might be useful for you as well. Is the cabin filter in place. I'm actually quite surprised. That's probably the easiest cabin filter we've come across. But yeah, in the actual filter itself, it's actually got like little holes that the hooks for this casing go in, and then it slides back towards the driver's side. And then obviously if you've got the foam thing at this point, you're going to want to refit that, but I don't, so we won't.